In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to SurveyMonkey. This handy feature allows you to enrich your surveys by including multimedia content that can engage and inform your respondents. So let's dive into the process and make your surveys more interactive and visually compelling. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the SurveyMonkey website. Just type in surveymonkey.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner of your screen and find the login button. Clicking this will direct you to the login page, where you'll need to choose your login method. Here, you have a range of options, but for a quick login, it can be convenient to use Google as your authentication method. This often speeds up the process if you're already logged into your Google account. Click on the Google button and you'll be taken to a page where you can select the Google account you wish to use. Simply choose the appropriate account from the list or enter your credentials if prompted. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the survey design area on SurveyMonkey. Begin by creating or opening an existing survey where you'd like to insert a video. Look for the Create section and you'll find various elements you can add to your survey. Click on the text box option to begin adding new content. With the text box added, the next step is to enable video content within this space. Find the video icon, which typically resembles a small camera or film strip, and click on it. This will open up the options for embedding video into your survey. Now you're ready to incorporate your video. You'll see an embed button within the video section. Click it. Paste the embed code of the video you want to use into the designated field. Remember, this code can usually be retrieved from video hosting platforms such as YouTube or Vimeo by selecting their share or embed options. Finally, once you're satisfied with the video's placement and any additional adjustments, click OK to confirm. Your video is now embedded in your survey, ready to be viewed by participants as they proceed through your questions. By following these straightforward steps, you can vastly enhance your survey's effectiveness with multimedia components that capture attention and enrich the data gathering experience. Don't forget to preview your survey to ensure that everything looks just right before sending it out to your audience. And there you have it, an easy way to add rich, engaging video content to your SurveyMonkey surveys. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.